So we putting salt now. This Wagyu Japanese beef. Oh yeah. So this is my first time to eat like this. So this is my first time to cooking, and we need to pan. So sorry, it's all pan we have. So we put in butter, mix it. Oil, oil. So this 400 grams. So we're gonna eat together with my partner and my daughter.
How is the heat? Nej, warmer. Jag tror inte vitlök. Take out the rice.
The heat will be full if you want to make hot more. And we are gonna eat with rice, I think. Ooh. So we see how much we gonna burn the Wagyu. So I'm practicing how to cook because we're gonna open a restaurant soon. So you need to nine.
Nej, for fuck's sake.